From the foundation of your home to the bridges of Canada and the embankments of the Baltic, composite rebar is already replacing steel. Today, I'll show 13 real-life cases from Russia and around the world and explain why the market is growing at double-digit rates. Residential and industrial construction includes strip monolithic foundations in low-rise buildings, industrial floors. There are a huge number of industrial buildings whose floors are reinforced with composite rebar. Just in this small area you see here, all the buildings are reinforced with our rebar. The benefits are 15% less concrete, absolutely no corrosion, and at least 30% savings compared to steel. Multi-layer walls, brick masonry. Hundreds, if not thousands, of the 200,000 houses in Russia use composite mesh and flexible wall ties. Advantages: thinner joints, higher thermal and crack resistance, no cold bridges, external insulation, fiberglass mesh in the base plaster layer of the facade. The advantage is no corrosion and a longer service life. Earthquake-resistant skyscrapers. Japanese and Canadian studies have shown that fiberglass frames withstood seismic events better than steel. The advantage is flexibility and the absence of brittle failure. Hydraulic engineering and coastal protection include port, river, and marine structures. For example, in Kaliningrad, sheet piles and coastal protection are made with composites, completely corrosion-resistant, easy to install. Russia, Kronstadt, installation of barriers along the shoreline. Another type of application is swimming pools, including the bottom and the shell. A series of public swimming pools in the Russian Federation. A wall less than 200 millimeters thick is reinforced with composite material. The result: no rust stains, a thinner layer of waterproofing. Transport and roads, supports, bridges, overpasses. Floodway Bridge, Winnipeg, Canada, the first bridge to use fiberglass reinforcement, built in 2005. A 35% savings in life cycle analysis over 50 years. The first Soviet bridge in Primorsky Krai with composite materials, built in 1981. It has been operating for over 40 years without major repairs. Indispensable in road construction, road surfaces, highways, sidewalks. For example, experimentally continuously reinforced sections on a highway in the city of Montreal. 18 sections with fiberglass reinforcement. As a result, corrosion joints were eliminated and the service life increased by 30%. Special structures and agricultural facilities, land reclamation and sewage systems. Irrigation canals running through the territories of Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan with a length of more than 100 kilometers are also reinforced with fiberglass rebar produced by us. The largest winemaking holdings have long been using composite supports to tie up millions of young grapevines. Monolithic concrete with antifreeze additives. Composite rods retain their strength at temperatures up to 70 degrees. Our universal production lines manufacture both smooth rods with diameters from 3 to 32 millimeters and mesh up to 2 meters wide. Write the CIP of your project in the comments, and we will send you a ready-made technical and economic calculation tailored to your region. Composite materials are already reinforcing roads, walls, and riverbanks. It's time to reinforce your business as well. Follow the link in the description, submit a request on our website, or write to us on WhatsApp. We will help you turn fiberglass into your steady profit.